If ever I had a video, would you dance in it? Would you dance in it?
Yo, Kpaceguy here in the Kpace kitchen. Decided to come in here just because we have just a different place to be, just some different scenery. But you saw the title. We're gonna get right into this video. No BSing around. I'm getting rid of the Fluance speakers, and it took me a lot to do this. And I've been contemplating it for a while. I'm getting the monoprice monolith amp. I'm gonna make another video on that soon, probably after this one. But I decided that I want to get that amp, and I think I want to get a new set of speakers. And I decided that I'm going to get rid of the Fluances because the ones that I want to get, which I'm not going to tell you yet, but the ones that I want to get are going to be a little bit better than the Fluances. Another reason why I want to get rid of the Fluances is because it gives a little extra money in my pocket. It'd be really nice to have a little extra money in my pocket so I can do what I want to and buy new things for the channel, so I have things to review, things to listen to, and etc. So I'm going to get rid of the Fluances, and I have all the prices listed. You have a lot of options. I can give you floor standers by themselves for the pair. I can give you bookshelf speakers by itself for the pair. I can give you the center channel by itself, or I can give you the bipolar surrounds pair. And I have each price accordingly through eBay. Now, before I continue with pricing, with eBay, I'm not going to post on eBay yet. I'm going to give my subscribers and my viewers a chance to get it first. So I haven't posted on eBay, but I have gotten all the prices from eBay, and that's how I went through and priced the speakers themselves. And you'll see prices soon. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see the speakers, and then I'll have the prices of each speaker on the screen so you guys can see it. But I went through and got all my pricing from eBay, so whatever I was going to price it on eBay, I'm pricing it the same here. I decided to let you guys have it first. You guys are my loyal subscribers / viewers. You need to become a subscriber. Subscribers get better things than viewers do. But I'm going to give you guys a chance to get what you want first. You guys have been around for a long time. Most of you guys have. You guys get to see the demos of the sound that I have that I've done with the speakers, the movie demos, the music demos, the torture tests, everything. You guys get an actual chance to go listen to these speakers on your own. Fluance is a Canadian company. They are retail, online retail only, so you can't actually go listen to them anywhere unless you just get that lucky and find somebody who has them. So my YouTube videos and maybe some other YouTube videos can kind of give you a representation of what they sound like. If you haven't seen my videos, I have tons of them. They're kind of far back because these are my older set of speakers, but if you want to take a listen to them and see if you want them, do so. If you have already seen them and want them, I'm going to tell you the prices. So for floor standing, I've written it down. So for floor standing speakers as a pair, I'm selling those for $300. I think they retail for $699. I'm giving mine away for $300. There will be shipping on all of this because shipping will get pretty crazy. But I'm selling those for $300, and shipping will be decided on where you're from. $300 for those. You can get 2 bookshelves for $80. I think they retail for $120 something. I'm selling mine for $80. Everything is in perfect, pristine condition, nothing wrong with it. They sound great, have not been abused whatsoever. They're awesome. They're awesome. So I'm selling my Bipolar surrounds for $110. I believe they retail for $230 on Fluance's site. I'm giving mine away for $110. They're bipolar. I'll show you all of this. They have 2 tweeters in the mid-range in the middle, and instead of a speaker sitting here and a speaker sitting here, they actually have 2 tweeters sitting here, and then you have a front firing woofer in the front. And my center channel will be $120. I believe it's double the price of that on Amazon, or not Amazon, on Fluance. Well, I guess Amazon too, but on Fluance's site, I think it's like 2 something, I don't remember. Maybe I think it's the same as the bipolar surrounds. So I'm getting that away for $120. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around so you can see the speakers. But before I do that, I will tell you that I will sell you this whole entire package. If you're interested in the whole 7.0 package, I'm giving that away for $699 plus shipping. $699 is really, really good because if you go around the web and search for this, it costs $699 just to get the floor standing speakers. If you want a 7.0 package, it costs you, I think, $1,300 for the whole 7.0 package. Now on Fluance, there is a mix and match option. You can get 5.0, 7.0, 2.0, 2.1, things like that. What's cool about what I'm giving away is there's nowhere on the internet where you can mix and match getting bookshelves in bipole. I have 2 bookshelves and 2 bipole speakers that I use for my surrounds. And maybe you want 4 bookshelves, or maybe you want 4 bipoles, or maybe you don't. Maybe you want 2 bookshelves and 2 bipoles. I have that option. You can't find that option anywhere else. And I like having 2 bipoles and 2 bookshelves, and I've always had that configuration in all my setups. If you watch all my videos, I've never had 4 bipoles or 4 bookshelves. And the reason why I like that is because two main reasons. One, if I ever wanted to listen to my bookshelves in 2-channel stereo, put on vinyl, I have that. I don't have to listen to my floor standards because they're so heavy in bass. I can go to something small and minimalistic. I can take those 2 bookshelves and put it in a whole nother listening system, in a whole nother room, and just have a 2-channel stereo with a small subwoofer if I want. That's really, really cool. So I have a lot of diversity that way. Also, I like having 2 bipoles because usually when you have a really hi-fi system, your speakers are pretty big. Bipoles have a flat back on the back of them, so you can sit them against the wall or you can hang them on the wall and they don't take so much space. Also, it really helps for immersion. It really helps as far as not being able to locate what's behind you. You know what's behind you, but you're kind of like, whoa, what was that? What was that? Instead of knowing that, hey, it's coming from here, it's coming from here. And that just adds to the realism. So I love having bipole speakers of any kind. Especially these are really unique. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what they look like here. I am in my kitchen, so I apologize for that. But let's go ahead and see if I can widescreen this for you guys. Let me move this over here. All right, widescreened here. So this is the bipole I was talking about. They have 2 tweeters on the side, and they have the mid-range here in the front. Love these things. They sound so good. It's so weird having 2 tweeters and not 2 woofers. But that's that. You can see with the grill on and off. The center channel here, that's with the grill off. Everything uses the same mid-bass driver and the same type of tweeter on the entire line. The only thing that differs would be the floor standards. They have the 2 8-inch woofers right here, which are freaking powerful. That's why I was really debating getting rid of these because of the bass that comes from this. The sound quality and the bass that comes from these, it's amazing. And then the bookshelves over here. We'll go ahead and zoom back in because my trash is in the corner. I haven't taken the trash out. But these sound good, and this is what I was talking about. This is the 2 bookshelves and the 2 bipoles. You get to mix and match what you like. You can take these out of your system, keep these in your 5.1, and have a 2-channel listening system somewhere else in your house if you want to. They're light, they sound great, they're really good for 2-channel stereo, very good. Pair it up with a subwoofer, and you're set. So I'm gonna get rid of all of these. I'm gonna go ahead and back up. I'm gonna put the prices of everything. They're gonna put a price up here. I'm gonna put a price up here, a price down here, and a price over there. So you guys can see visually how much everything costs. Really good sounding system. But let me go ahead and say this too. I'm gonna give probably a week or so for this video to go live and everybody to see it, and so I can see who may want it, what kind of package you guys want, and where you guys live, so I can give you guys shipping quotes. But after a week, if I haven't sold them or haven't had anybody who's interested in them, I'm gonna post it on eBay. eBay will be the exact same price, give or take some shipping, because they do automatic shipping prices on there too. They do automatic bidding and all that stuff too. So I'm gonna have a buy now option and a bid option. I'm gonna put it up for bid. It's gonna go for 7 whole days, and then it's gonna accumulate, and then the person who has bid it at the highest obviously wins it. We'll ship it off to him. We're good to go. I'm gonna have a buy now option for the exact prices that I said on this video and on screen right now. I'm gonna have that exact price there for you guys on eBay. So if you go on eBay, you can actually see that. I'm gonna have pictures posted of them, of each, maybe not each speaker, has a lot of pictures. I might try to put 2 pictures of each speaker a piece on eBay. And of course, you guys are watching the video now, so you see them live, and you can go back to my other videos and see how I treated them and what I listened on them, so you can see how well they've been treated. But let me know if you are interested in like, leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys are interested in the package. You can do 2.0, you can do a 5.0, you can take as many speakers as you want. You can't take one and not the other. You can't take one bookshelf because you blew your one and you wanted one. You can't do that. You have to take both. You have to take both of those. You can't just take one, because then I'm left with a weird system. I can't really sell one that way. So leave me a comment. Let me know if you're interested in this. I know a lot of people have had questions and appraisal of this speaker on my channel, so maybe some of you guys are interested in it. But let me know if you're interested. Just give me a comment. Or if you want it to be more confidential, send me an Instagram message. DM me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram right here. Or you can email me. I'll put my email right here on this side of the screen. So that's my email and that's my Instagram. Just send me a message if you want to enclose some details, whatever. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys want it or not. If I haven't heard anything within a week of this video being posted, today is Wednesday that it goes live. Next Wednesday, if I haven't heard anything, I'm gonna go post it on eBay, and I'll let you guys know if I post it on eBay, and you're welcome to bid on that and see if you can get it for a lower price. So that's gonna be it for this video. We're gonna get out of Kpace's kitchen because I need to clean it up. There's trash everywhere, and I'm hungry anyway. So that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely push that bell for notifications because things like this you won't be able to know about unless you're a subscriber and you're notified. So good speakers right here. Make sure you go back and listen to my old videos. I did a lot of reviews and a lot of listening tests on this system. And I did a video recently again refreshing what I thought about these and giving all the specs and everything about it. So make sure you check those videos out, guys. All right, Kpaceguy out.